Hello everyone and welcome to this session of programming with Python. In this session we will see what are the different methods we can use to manipulate our list. The first method we are going to discuss is append method. Suppose we have a list and we want to add any element at the end of our list. For that we can use the append method. The general syntax of the append method is that we first write the name of our list in which we want to add our element, followed by the dot symbol. After it we use the append method, and within the parentheses we write the name of the element which we want to append to our list. So let's head over to Python and understand this in detail. Let's say we have a variable named fruit which is a list of different kinds of fruit, and it is storing fruits such as apple and banana. Now if we want to add another fruit like grape to this list, we can do this by writing the name of the variable, that is fruit, followed by a dot sign, followed by the name of the method in which our case it is append, and after that the parenthesis sign, and within the parenthesis sign we write the name of our element which we want to append. So we want to append grapes, so we will write grapes in a string format, and after that if we want to print our variable again, then we will get a new list in which grapes is also added in our list. Notice that the append method always append at the end of our list. So grape will be appended at the third position or after the banana. So this is how we use append method in Python. Now like append method there is also a pop method. Pop method is basically used to remove any element in the list or from the list. For example, let's say we have our same variable fruit. Now if we want to append grapes from this variable, then we will write the name of the variable, that is fruit, followed by pop symbol, and within the parentheses we write the index position of which element we want to remove. Now grape is at the second position, so we will write 2, and if we run this we get a new list in which grapes is not present. So now our list has been updated in which the fruit has been replaced. Now one thing to remember, that if we don't pass any index in the pop method, then the last element of the list will be automatically deducted from our list. For example, if we use the pop method again by writing fruit dot pop and we pass no index within our parentheses, and now if we run this we get apple as our list because we have already deducted banana and grapes from our list. So this is how we use pop method in Python. Now like pop method we also have an insert method. Now one of the limitations of append method was that append method always used to include the element at the last position of our list. But suppose if we want to include the element but also we want to specify at which index we want to include our element. For example, let's say we have a list named fruit again, and it is storing different fruit, let's say apple, banana and orange, let's say. Now if we want to add another fruit, let's say chiku, at the beginning of our list, then we can do that by using the index method. We will write the name of our list in which it is get fruit, after that the dot symbol, after that we use the insert method, and within the insert method parentheses we write first the name of the index at which we want to add our element. In this case we want to add chiku at the first position, so we will write 0, and after that we write the name of our element which is chiku in our case. Now if we run this we get a new list in which chiku is appended at the first position. Similarly, if we want to append chiku at the third position, we will write, or second position, we will write 2, and after that we write chiku, and if we run this again we get chiku at the second position because apple has the 0th position, banana has the first position, chiku will get the second position. So this is how we use the insert method in Python. Similarly, like pop method, we also have another method called remove method. Remove method can also remove the element. The only significance of remove method or only difference from the pop method is that in pop method we used to pass index. Suppose we don't know the index position of the element which we want to remove, then we can use the element itself by using the remove method. For using the remove method, we write the name of the name of our variable or list followed by remove method, and within the parentheses we write the name of the element which we want to remove. For example, in our list fruit, if we want to remove the element banana but we don't know the position or index of the banana in our list, then we can remove it by fruit, that is name of the variable, followed by dot, followed by the remove method, and within the parentheses of the remove method we write the name of element which we want to remove, and we write banana. And if we run this again, we get a new list in which banana is no more, and the new list has only 3 different kinds of element. So this is how we use remove method in Python. Now the another method which we want to discuss is the reverse method. Suppose we want to reverse our list. For example, here you can see that my list is including 3 different characters, namely alpha, beta and gamma. Now we want to reverse our list such that the last element become the first element and the first element become the last element. Then we can do this by using the reverse method. So for example, let's say we want to reverse over this list of fruit, then we can do this by fruit followed by dot symbol followed by the reverse method. Notice that we don't pass any argument within the reverse parentheses. And if we run this and print our variable again, we get orange, echo and apple, which is in reverse format. So these are some of the methods in Python. There are innumerable methods in Python which we can use. So I would encourage you all to head over to Python documentation and explore some of them. In the next session, we will start another sequential data type, namely dictionary. Thank you all.